Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to AILOVA HOTPOT. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more recipes. Today, we're making a unique and delicious dessert that you've probably never tried before, egg halwa. Yes, you heard that right, halwa made with eggs. It's rich, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. Let's get started. Ingredients, here's what you'll need. 4 eggs, 1 cup sugar, half a cup ghee, clarified butter, half a cup milk, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron, optional, chopped nuts for garnish, almonds, pistachios, cashews. Step 1, whisk the eggs. First, crack 4 eggs into a bowl and whisk them well until smooth. No lumps. Step 2, cook eggs with ghee. Now, heat half a cup ghee in a pan on medium flame. Once it's warm, pour in the whisked eggs. Keep stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Cook until the eggs turn slightly golden and crumbly, about 5 to 6 minutes. Step 3, add sugar and milk. Next, add 1 cup sugar and mix well. Then, pour in half a cup milk and keep stirring. The mixture will thicken as it cooks. Step 4, flavor and texture. Now, add half a teaspoon cardamom powder and a pinch of saffron for that amazing aroma. Keep stirring until the halwa leaves the sides of the pan. This means it's ready. Step 5, garnish and serve. Turn off the flame and transfer the halwa to a plate. Garnish with chopped nuts while it's still warm. And there you have it, egg halwa. Creamy, rich, and totally unique. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.